Okay, y'all, I'm at the store, Bath and Body Works, as y'all see in the background. Bath and Body Works. I'm in here. They doing a $5.95 sale on body care, but it's email exclusive. So if you don't have your email, then chances are they're not gonna give you the sale price, which I find to be crazy, but it is what it is. So I'm getting ready to go in here, pick up my order, grab a few things, check out the new gingham collection and the Mother's Day collection, all of that stuff, because I haven't been in the store in a little minute. So I'm sorry about the wind, as y'all see I'm outside. So let's go in here and see what we could grab, what we could find, and what can we buy. So let's head in here. Hello, good morning. I'm fine. Oh, this is pretty. The gingham collection. I am so happy that they decided to do this. A scent for everyone. I love it. I'm still on the fence about buying the perfume. I really would love to buy the perfumes, but I don't know. Now today, the day that I'm editing this video, which is Saturday, they have a sale going on. Everything is already buy 3 get 3. Plus they got an Easter sale going on that you could get $5 off, $10 off, $30 off. So if you trying to get these perfumes today, is the day to grab these, because you could get them for that additional off plus free shipping. Now I love that they changed that bottle into that ombre, so nice, and it do work with the whole collection. Super nice. Shout out to Bath and Body Works for this collection. Yes, I'm loving it. Also in the stores, they have a lot of the new Mother's Day gift sets, so if you're interested in all that stuff, they got it. Again, this will be the perfect weekend to buy it if you want a little bit more off, and if you don't want to use your 25% coupon. This is the sale to grab that stuff. Okay, y'all, I'm back in the car and I'm gonna show y'all what I got real quick. I picked up my order, my Bopus order, my wallflowers. And what did I get? I got this new Riviera petals. I got 2 of those because it's a new scent and I haven't tried it. So y'all know I try to buy my stuff in 2s, especially stuff like this that go fast. The scent notes is rose, white tea, and a geranium. So I wanted to try this. Super excited for that. Then I got Palo Santo. Oh my God. She forgot to give me another one. Palo Santo and sage. The thing is off. So I'm gonna have to write it on to do something. So I got that one. I got 2 of the aloe and palm. 2 of them. And then 2 of the gingham gorgeous. I just grabbed 2 of these, and this was like $25. You know, really wanted to try all of these scent in the wallflower form. If y'all don't know, I'll post my video to the top where you could take the little stem thing on the inside. You could take it off and use it in your diffusers or your oil warmers. So that's how I usually use these. I do plug them up, but that's another way of using them. I like using it like that because the scent is just like instant, and it's so good. So I'll post that at the top. Y'all click on that and check the video out. So this is the stuff I just bought. Now, of course, I went over. Even though I said I was only going to spend around $25, I went over. Y'all know I really wanted all of the new gingham stuff, so I did grab all of them. I got these 2 in the little travel or the mini fragrance, the perfume. I have these 2, but I didn't get this one. So I really wanted to try all of them, so I grabbed them. By now we all should know what these smell like. Everybody's going crazy over this one, and I agree. This one is actually really nice, fresh scent. Yes, this is nice. Yes, pear, clementine, and daisies. Yeah, this one is really, really nice. If you love that sweet fresh, yeah, this one will be really good for you. And then this Vibrant, Gingham Vibrant. I think this is more of like a violet. Blackberries, violet, and vanilla. This is good too, but I'm not really a huge fan of violet. So I usually kind of stay away from the violet scent, but I decided to just go ahead and grab this one because I do have some perfume that I think it'll go good with. If you own the Coach Poppy, yeah, that'll go good with this. And then everybody know Gorgeous Gingham, Gingham Gorgeous, or however. Strawberries, peach nectar, and peony. Yeah, this is good. If you love like a berry, if you love like raspberry type of scents, fruity raspberry, yeah, you'll like this. That's what this is. Fruity, like raspberry, strawberries, in that type of category. This is more like fresh melon, and this one is more like violet type of scent. So I got those three, and y'all know these retail for $18.95. So today was a really good day to get it. You cannot use any coupons on this sale because they got to scan the barcode. So then I got this Amethyst Waves and the Emerald Mist. Since these were two new ones in the store, I decided to just go ahead and grab them. And I actually forgot about it. The young lady in the store, she told me, she was like, oh, did you see our new stuff? I'm like, what? So yeah, she talked me into this. This is the reason why I'm over. Well, yeah. So let's see. If y'all don't know, they do have the candle in this. It came out the early part of the year. This is actually nice. Wow, I like it. And I cannot see the scent notes. It's berries, wild blooms, and sandalwood. It's hard to read because it's like all one color. So yeah, that's what this is. This is actually nice. Yeah, this is really nice. And then the Emerald Mist. Emerald Mist is, let me see if I can see I gotta hold it a certain way. Fresh water, sun-kissed pear, and blonde wood. Sorry, y'all. I don't have my glasses on, and then it all blends kind of sort of together. This one is nice too. I'm not mad at none of these that I bought. I'm not mad. I think, yeah, top three. And then I already have that Breeze one, Sea Salt Breeze. I actually have the perfume. I might get the body spray, I don't know. But then I wanted to get some aromatherapy because y'all know I love aromatherapy. And this is the Lavender and Iris. That's what this is. And then I also bought it in the body butter. Even though on my live stream, y'all, I said I wasn't gonna buy no body butters, but I decided to just go ahead and grab these two because I really been enjoying these mists. The aromatherapy mist, the oil mist, I really been enjoying this one. I really wanted to get the sandalwood and vanilla, but they didn't have it. They was completely sold out. That's the one I really wanted, so I wasn't able to get it. So it is what it is. Let me see. Man, somebody was talking about in the comments, y'all, how these actually should have a little thing over them. And I agree. I agree with the person who posted in my comments. It shouldn't be that you could open this product up and then you expose the actual product. They should have it either plastic over the outside or they should have something over the top so people just don't dip into it. You know, that's just my take. Y'all know the whipped body butter is not my favorite. I really like the old versions better. The old school version that they had. Yeah, this ain't bad. This not bad. This is not bad. Let me smell this one though. Yes, most definitely get the lavender. It is more a floral lavender. It's not bad. I I'm gonna have to use this a little more to really see if I really like it. But as of now, it's nice. It's really nice. Yeah, it's nice. So that was basically everything I got. Leave in the comments, let me know, what did you grab on this sale? Did you go over budget like me? But the thing is, I don't know if I'm gonna shop the minis sale because I don't really need anything. The next sale that I'm gonna shop is gonna be the candle sale. So even though today I spent like $45, y'all. Yeah, 45 with tax. It was $40, but with tax made it 45. So I'm good. I'm probably not gonna shop the other sales. I'm gonna hold for the candle sale. So yeah, leave in the comments, what is the items that you got? What was your most favorite item? Your item that you said, yeah, I'm going to the store and I gotta have that. What item was that? Leave that down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up. Again, leave me some comments. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. Use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. And I'm sorry I got this gum in my mouth. Sorry. On Instagram, of course. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Shout out to my MVP riders. Shout out to you. Thank you for holding me down. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching anything and everything your girl posts. Thank you. I truly appreciate you. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.